In this video, we are going to learn do-while loop. Syntax for do-while loop is initialization of the variable that is used to iterate the loop is done before the do block. Do keyword, open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket, and you write the code inside the do block. Increment or decrement of the variable is also done inside the do block. At the end of the do block, while keyword, and inside the parenthesis you need to write the condition followed with a semicolon. Do not forget to give a semicolon after this while condition, because generally whenever you write the condition, we open the block and write the code. We do not give a semicolon. Do while is little different. Here you need to give a semicolon after the condition. Let us write the same program using do while loop. Write a program to print the text 5 times using do while loop. Define the class. Our class name is do while. Define the main method. We have declared and defined the variable that will be used to iterate the loop. Our variable name is I and data type is int, and the value is initialized to 0. So as soon as the interpreter reads this statement, the memory for variable I is allocated inside the stack memory area and value 0 will be stored inside it. Next is the do block. Start the do block using do keyword, open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket, and you need to write the code and increment statement inside the do block. So the first statement is system.out.println. Inside the parenthesis, we are passing one string argument, that is OJS for Online Academy. So when println method is invoked, the text is printed to the console for the first time when value of I is 0. Next statement is I++. I++ is the shorthand for I equal to I plus 1. Value of I is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now the updated value of I is 1. Hence value of I will be replaced with 1. At the end of the do block, you need to write the while condition. I less than 5. Value of I is 1 less than 5. Condition is true. And when the while condition is true, the control of the program goes inside the do block. So from here, the control will go inside the do block and the statements inside the do block will execute. Hence, system.out.println is executed. So the text is printed to the console for the second time when value of I is 1. Next statement is I++. Value of I is 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now the updated value of I is 2. Hence, I is updated to 2. Now the condition is checked. 2 less than 5 condition is true. Hence, control of the program will go inside the do block and the statement system.out.println will be executed and the text is printed to the console for the third time when value of I is 2. I is again incremented. I++. Value of I is 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now the updated value of I is 3. Again the condition is checked. Value of I is 3 less than 5. Condition is true. Hence, control of the program goes inside the do block. And the statement system.out.println is executed and the text is printed to the output screen for the fourth time when value of I is 3. I is incremented. Value of I is 3 plus 1, 4. Now the updated value of I is 4. I is updated to 4. Condition is checked. Value of I is 4 less than 5. Condition is true. Hence control of the program goes inside the do block and the statement system.out.println is executed and the text is printed to the console for the fifth time when value of I is 4. I is incremented. Value of I is 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now the updated value of I is 5. Hence I is replaced with 5. The condition is checked. Value of I is 5. 5 less than 5. The condition is false. Hence control of the program will not go inside the do block and the loop will stop iterating. When the loop stops iterating, the next statement after the loop is executed, system.out.println, and the text do while loop will be printed to the console. Now the point to remember is the difference between other loops and do while loop is in for loop and while loop, first the condition is checked and if the condition is true, the control of the program goes inside the loop and the loop is executed. In do while loop, we are checking out for the condition at the end of the do block. Hence first the do block is executed and then the condition is checked. So even though the condition is false, the do block is executed at least once. Do while loop is used in the situation where you need to execute the loop at least once.